Welcome to the Canvas overview. This is just going to be a brief description about how to navigate our Canvas page as we go throughout the semester. Hybrid courses are unique because we'll meet in the classroom once during the week, and instead of meeting the second time, you'll do online activities and learn the material on your own here on the Canvas page. So it's not fully an online class, but it's not fully a lecture class either. Our Canvas homepage is the syllabus, so you can access the full syllabus here. I would highly encourage you to print that off and keep tabs on the schedule. It's got all the due dates for all your assignments. Recent announcements will always be posted at the top. I think it keeps the most recent 3 to 5 announcements. And I don't post announcements all that often throughout the semester, so if you see something new, make sure that you read it there. As you scroll down, you can see the description of the course, and here's the course summary with all the due dates and all the different times that we're going to meet in class. Because it's a hybrid course, I made sure to put our class meeting dates on the course calendar. So the most common page that you'll use in our Canvas page is the module section. This is where all the material is that you need to learn on your own, and all the homework assignments, the online activities for the week. So let's start with that. The modules will open a week at a time, so you can't work ahead in the course. The modules will never close, so you'll always be able to go back and review material. That's really important for the exams. I've noted on each module what material is being learned in the classroom and what material you need to do online. There's always an online activity with the online modules. Those cannot be turned in late, so make sure you do those every single week by the deadline. For the classroom materials, I'll post a lecture, and I'll also post an article if there's a reading for that week. So in the syllabus where you see that there's an article, make sure you open the module page and read that article before coming to class. Like I said, modules will open as the semester continues, and you'll be able to go back and review anything that you need to. All your online activities can be accessed here through the module pages. There's 2 assignments that aren't on the modules page. The first is your current event discussions. Those can be accessed on the discussion page. There's 4 current event discussions throughout the semester. The first one opens on our first day of class and is due by January 29th. There's a prompt, and you'll answer the prompt, then respond to other students. This is a time and a place to discuss current events in public safety. When the discussion is due, the next discussion will open. So you'll see that discussion number 2 opens the day after discussion number 1 is due. And we'll have 4 of these throughout the semester. The final assignment that's not in the module page are the FEMA certifications. Those can be found on the Assignments tab. The Assignments tab lists all of your assignments throughout the semester by the due date. And like I said, all the online activities you can cover in the modules section, and these current event discussions you can get to in the discussion page. These 2 FEMA certificates, FEMA IS 700 and FEMA IS 100, must be accessed here through the assignments page. And after you watch this video, I'll have another video about how to complete those assignments. If you have any questions about Canvas or due dates or assignments, make sure you send me a message through Canvas through your inbox here. I'm pretty good about checking Canvas every day, but I'm not always on my IU email, so make sure that any communication to me is done through our Canvas page. If you ever need a refresher on the assignments or the schedule, check the syllabus. Again, that can be downloaded here from our course homepage, and Canvas is really good about giving you due dates for all your assignments. So make sure you're checking in a couple times a week and getting those online assignments done.